friends, today you're going to make a chef's hat. So what you're going to do is you're going to need your scissors, thumb in the thumb hole, fingers down below, thumb towards the ceiling. You're going to hold it in one hand and cut. Cut. And remember, turn your paper instead of your hand. And just give it a try. Do the best. And if you don't go exactly on the lines, that is okay. We're learning and we're having fun while we do that, because learning should be fun. Sometimes you might have to reposition it. Sometimes your hand gets stuck. That is okay. Remember, turn your paper as you go. Keep your hand in the same place. If you want to color in your chef's hat or write your name up here, that's fine. I'm going to keep mine white. And then you have a piece of white paper and you're just going to cut. You can have an adult help you with this part if you'd like. But try and do the chef hat cutting by yourself. Give it a try. That's how we learn by doing. You're going to attach it with some glue. Just make sure you turn it over. And some glue. Might need to put some tape. And you're going to put it around here, but you want to have it so that it fits on your head. And then you have your chef's hat that you're going to use for the whole week, because we're going to talk about lots of things that you need a chef hat for. So have fun with it. Bye, friends.